Good morning, everybody. All right, so today is day 7. This is just gonna be vlog style today. We're gonna do some fun things and maybe go see some lights at Candy Cane Lane. Sorry, I look crazy. I'm about to go on a walk with my mom and sister and take the dogs. And Monica's just gonna chill and have a nice, cozy morning. So. Hi, Magnolia.
Not little.
Hi, can I come over? Me and Magnolia match.
On the baby?
Good morning. So like Katie said, her and her family went on a walk this morning, and I had just woken up when she told me about this, and I was like, girl, I'd be like a real crusty, real dusty right now. Like I can't go. I have to get ready. So now I'm ready, and I'm gonna make some breakfast, drink some coffee, and wait for her to get back. I'm about to eat breakfast right now, and today it is a slice of keto bread with cream cheese and also this juice that I made, which is lemon, orange, some ginger, and cayenne pepper. So it's really good, and I juiced it myself. I always keep my breakfasts pretty simple, so it's either like an oatmeal banana shake with almond milk instead of regular milk, or this, what I just showed you, or like some eggs or something like that. So I'm gonna eat. We're headed to Chipotle right now because I have a free entree because I'm a rewards member and I'm very loyal to Chipotle. So Chipotle, if you see this, sponsor me one day, please. What are we getting, a bowl or a burrito?
We're gonna get a burrito, and then today we're gonna make homemade bagels, which I'm super excited about.
Lots of carbs today.
Well, we don't have to eat the bagels. Like, I mean, I just wanted to try making them.
No. Yeah, it'll be fun.
So, something just fun to have for breakfast. We can make bagel sandwiches another day. Oh. Got some cool kicks. These are Monica's. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. What are those? Just kidding.
The drip.
The drip.
It's all about the drip.
It's hard. So annoying.
Too hard.
Okay, walk a little faster. There's a car behind me.
One thing that you have to do in life, no matter what it is, you gotta secure the bag. You secured the bag today.
Look at the cuties. Hi, babies. Hey, Magnolia. Oh, those are for wine glasses.
No.
I like it a lot. Oh, it is a good.
Whoosh. Hi, Bubba. You're so cute. These bagels. These are New York bagel recipe, so they're gonna be like really good.
It's like gonna be like from New York, like right in Manhattan on 58th and 7th.
Is that possible?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah. My uncle used to live on
Last time I have not. Yeah, but it's possible for them to be on 7th and 58th. That sounds
Whatever.
like a little crazy. All right, Carolyn's making the everything bagel seasoning. Fresh.
You really had to get my mask me?
Oh, here. Oh, shush. From scratch. We'll see how that goes.
Is there
She's not even following a recipe. What'd you say?
Is there anything to like stick it together?
All right, so the next step, we're gonna shape the bagel. Oh wait, has it been 10 minutes?
There's a timer on.
Oh, we have to wait. Just kidding, we're not gonna shape the bagel yet.
I can't do it yet?
Come on over. Get over here. My sister's gonna help me shape the bagel. He did it with a little bit of this. And he used his little thumb and finger to get the hole.
I got it.
Oh, okay.
Look at mine.
And then he did this twisty thing. I'm scared.
Why?
Oh! Oh,
Nothing.
I know. Should I do 3?
Yeah.
Ooh. Just having a chill Saturday, like we said, making those bagels. Monica's editing for YouTube. Look at these yummy bagels. And then we're gonna make this for dinner. Tomato soup. So lots of bacon, that's what we're doing. We just finished the bagels and it's a hit. Everyone loves the recipe, so if you guys want it, comment down below. We'll send you the link. But you know what? We'll just put the link down there. But look how gorgeous. So delicious. We're always gonna make, not always. We're gonna make
Every day.
They were so good.
Were they good?
They were divine.
Aw, love it.
Everything that we've done today
In the kitchen.
in the kitchen.
I'm now making homemade tomato soup
So
for
good.
the whole family.
Woo! Where is that? So delicious.